Alright, we're going to talk about scientific notation. And what scientific notation is just a way to write a large number in a little more compact of a way. So let's get a number here. So let's say we have 5,200,000. Not an incredibly large number, but it is a big number. So in order to create or turn this into scientific notation, you have to take your decimal and move it till you have a number between 1 and 10. So you're always going to have one digit to the left of the decimal. So in this case, it'd be between the 5 and the 2. So then I write that as 5 and 2/10 times 10. It's always going to be times 10. And then on the 10 we put an exponent with the number of place values we moved that decimal. So we moved it 6 times, so our exponent is 6. So it would be 5 and 2/10 times 10 to the 6th. And if you remember from previous lessons, times 10 means moving a place value. So that you can read that as 5.2 times 6 place values. So let's try another one. Let's say we have 4, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 430 billion. Big number. But we approach it the same way. So we move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times to get it have one digit to the left of the decimal. So we get 4 and 3/10 times 10, and we moved it 3, 6, 9, 11 times. So it would be to the 11th power. So 4 and 3/10 times 10 to the 11th. Clean that up a little bit. There we go. Alright, if we're given a number in scientific notation, like 7 31/100 times 10 to the 5th, we start with our number, 7 31/100, and then times 10 to the 5th is telling us to move our decimal 5 place values. So I'm going to move my decimal 5 place values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and every time there's an empty space, I add a 0. So this would be 731,000. For the next one, 8 1/10 times 10 to the 8th. Again, start with your decimal, 8 1/10, and then times 10 to the 8th is telling me to move my decimal 8 place values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and add zeros where there's empty spaces. So I got 81 with 7 zeros. So write that out. Put your commas in. And it is 810 million.